Welcome students. My name is Brindra Kumar, and in this video I'll cover your semi model, and it's really a very easy topics to all the students. So after watching this video you must write this all things in your note copy so that you can understand it very good. So my dear friends, I hope all of you are very fine today, and a very good morning all of you. So let's start it from the very beginning. So here is your first phase of this video. Welcome back students. So here is your semi model. So here is your spelling mistake, you must correct it. So correct will be your modals, semi modal. So what is your semi modals? We call semi modals verbs that are used both as a modals verb, that means helping verb, and as a main verbs. So these are the definition of your semi modals. So first one is your need, second one is your dare, the third one is your used to. So these are the example of your semi modals. So let's see what is need. So need, that is used to require something, and the second one is your dare, so it's used to be courageous, and the third one is your used to. So it's used to past discontinued, that means it present your only past habit. So these are the example of your semi models. So my dear friends, let's move on into the next page. So here is your next page of this video. Welcome students. So note number 1. So let's see the uses of need and dare. So need and dare, these are words that is used both as a helping verb and as a main verb. So let's see the need and dare, that is used as a helping verb. So first structure is here, so you must read this one. So first one is your subject plus need plus to plus b1 plus object. So here is your to is your fixed preposition, and second one is your s is your subject plus need plus not plus b1 plus object. This one is for negative. Third one is your need plus subject plus b1 plus object. So this one is your interrogative sentence. So here need is used as a helping verb. So for example, so your first one is your we need to attend the class, second one is your we need not attend the class, and third one is your need we attend the class. So my dear friends, here need is used as a helping verb, and the helping verb that is used after the noun and before the noun. Welcome guys once again. So here is a note number 2. So let's see, need, dear, these are words that is used as a main verb. So a structure is given here, you must go through this one so that you can create the sentences. So first one is your subject positive sentence, subject plus need plus to plus b1 plus object. So what is to is your preposition. Second one is your subject plus helping verb plus not plus need plus to plus b1 plus object. This one is your for negative sentence, and third one is your helping verb plus subject plus need plus to plus b1 plus object. So this one is your interrogative sentence. Interrogative sentence, yes my dear friends. So here need is used as a main verb. So example is given here, you must go through this one. First one is your he needs to go there, second one is your he does not need to go there, third one is your does he need to go there. So my dear friends, here need is used as a main verb. So these are important to know. So let's move into the next page. Welcome students. So note number 3. So it's very easy to all the students. So as you know, used to, it's used to past discontinued, that means it's present your only past habit. But if you talk about the would, then it's used to present our past habit and present habit. For example, before he got diabetic, he used to eat a lot of sweets. So second one is your when he was young he would dance in every party. So here used to is expressing our past habit, and would that is expressing our past and present habit. So used to that is also used as a helping verb. So for example, first one is your he used to go there. So here used to is used as a helping verb. So let's see the defect. So what is your defect? So let's see. So first one is your subject plus helping verb plus used to plus ing form plus object. So my dear friends, let's see its example. Welcome back, students. So this is your last page of this video and I hope you are having fun with me. So here is your examples. You must read this one. He is your subject, is, am, are, was and were, that is your helping verb and that is used before used to plus ing form plus object. So this structure shows your past habit as well as present habit. So your first example is given here. You must go through this one. So let's read. Ram is used to playing cricket in the fields. So my dear friends, this one is showing your past habit as well as present. So let's see the next one. Here is a questions. You must go through this one so that you can understand it very good. So your first questions is here, filling the blanks with suitable appropriate semi-modal auxiliary. So here is a spelling mistake. So correct will be your modal, modal. So these are the questions. You must go through this one so that you can understand it very good. So thank you for watching and see you again in the next video. Till then, have a fun. Bye bye.